Good morning, my investing fans. 4:20 a.m. Wednesday morning. Happy 420. Gonna share with you a little bit about a big day that's going on for Ford Motors. Welcome to my channel. If you're new to it, please hit the subscribe button. If you're a subscriber, thank you very much. Also, I want to advise you that I'm not a professional financial advisor, so please do your own due diligence. This video is on Yahoo. Just real quick, I'm gonna go over. Ford's new F-150 all electric. For us Ford investors, today is a big day. We're having Investors Day. So I want to go over an article published in USA Today that was written on May 24th. Ford debuts Ford F-150 Lightning Pro electric pickup aimed at work truck buyers. Okay, I'll put a link in the description below for this article. But basically it's stating that it's equipped with a standard battery that's good for an estimated 230 miles and costs under $40,000, the same as the base price for the retail F-150 Lightning. So the CEO of NTEA said work vehicles present a growing opportunity for the electrification. Me being a plumber, man, I would love to have a truck like that. I think this is big to know. Okay, Ford claims a Lightning Pro schedule maintenance cost will be 40% lower than an ICE F-150 over 8 years and 100,000 miles. That's big. Okay, that's pretty big. So this article just came out this week, Monday. It's in Yahoo. Now let's see what Ford is trading at. Actually, don't forget, I'm gonna just go to see what they're trading at, and then I'm gonna read about their investors day to day. So here's Ford up in pre-market. Wow, look at that. Nice. Nice. Let's see where they're at on their 3-month chart. Okay, so according to the MACD, they're above the trading line there. But they're way up there. Let's see where they were 6 months ago. Okay. And a year ago. There you go there. So this is Ford's lifetime chart. Take a look at it for a minute. Cheers to my coffee lovers and my Ford lovers. Okay. So once upon a time, wow, look at that. And they were trading at 36, 66. I mentioned that in a video earlier made. I own 75 shares plus other shares on another account. Excuse me. I did sell 25 to buy some other shares that are in the red for me right now. So I also repositioned my dollar per average 2 to 3 times in the last month. I didn't hold no bag. I sold the bag and took the golden opportunity to get Ford at a lower price. And that's what I did. I highly recommend investors to do the same as well. That way, when the shorties come along and try to short your stock, you can just sit back, watch them, have their fun. You can play options and make your money all day long. That I'm learning. Okay? That's how I'm beating shorties. I'll sell the bag, rebuy at the low, a new low for me. I want to wish everybody a good morning. I hope you're having a beautiful week. Everything is well, going good, and your stocks are green. There's still red going on, but if you notice, I believe the trend is starting to swing upwards. There's still stocks that are in the red that are still down for 3, 6, 1 year lows. And then there's stocks that are setting 52-week highs. They're all over the internet. You can take a peek at them, see which ones you want to invest in. I'm invested in only a handful, even though I like 1,000 of them. My watch list has over 1,000 stocks that I love. I just don't got the money for it. I can buy 10 here, 10 there of everything that I like, but that's not what I want to do. So, but I'm thinking of reevaluating my portfolio and minimizing my share amount, and yes, picking up and starting new positions in other stocks that I love that are ready to go back to what they once were. Okay, which was 30-40% from what they're trading at. Here's Ford, my baby. Just so you know, Ford has never ever been this high for me. Okay, they are trading at a 6 month. No, they were a little higher, so they ain't even trading at their 6 month high, which is 1337 for us investors. And then we got another one here of 1333, so it looks like the 1337 is a little higher. Okay, let's find out what's up with the investor day today. I also have a juicy $15 option call that's on my other videos. I'm not going to show in this one because I've already did it in 2 other videos. If you're interested in looking at it, feel free. I'll leave a link of my video below. Okay, so this was out on Barron's. Okay, written by Al Root. I believe I mentioned this in a previous video, but I didn't read it. But let's read it and see what we're expected from Ford today as they meet with investors. Okay, investors may wonder what Ford Motor still has to disclose when it meets with investors and analysts Wednesday. The automaker has been busy lately making news with announcements about products and batteries, but there is still plenty to discuss. Remember, $29 billion to be used by 2025. Divide that. Investors should expect a lot of talk about profits and maybe even mea culpa on recent financial guidance. Last week, Ford, ticker symbol F, unveiled its all-electric F-150 light-duty pickup truck and announced a planned joint venture to supply itself with EV batteries. It was all good news, and shares rose 12.6%. The Dow Jones Industrial Average and S&P for the comparison, both dropped less than 1%. Wow. Okay. Ford went up 6%. I'm sorry, 12%, 12.6%, and dropped. Okay, the S&P and Dow Jones dropped 1%. Big. So be expecting some shorties to come in and try to short us. The all-electric F-150 had all the features and styling that have made the gasoline-powered version one of the best-selling vehicles in America for decades. And while I'm reading this, I'm watching the news, and man, I just send my prayers out to that little 6-year-old boy that got shot, man. To his family, God bless them, and I pray for, strength that they need to get them through this very, very, very difficult time. I have grandkids. I could not even imagine it. Sorry. Whew. Gotta catch my composure. Okay, back to Ford. Ford makes a lot of selling trucks in the U.S. Now that the truck has been unveiled, investors can expect Ford management to explain how it will make a lot of money selling all electric trucks. Now, Ford, if you look on YouTube, they have videos that Ford has hundreds, equaling thousands of trucks just sitting around in vacant parking lots. That's okay. I'm glad. I want to hear that because there's production waiting to be sold off. They're ready purchase. They're just waiting to be sold off. Wait till Ford's next quarter's earnings. They're going to 15 soon. Okay. With all the EVs, with all the EV news, it might be easy to forget that Ford is in the midst of a turnaround effort being led by new CEO Jim Farley. Ford's operating profit margin before the pandemic was roughly 4%, and Ford's goal is to get the figure to 8%. That's double in let's see, margins. That would mean Ford can produce 13 to 14 billion dollars in profit, wrote the analyst from the bank, Emmanuel Roser, in a report prevailing Ford's analyst event. That compares with the 8 to 9 billion earned a year on average. Okay, so they earned 8 to 9 already in the 3 years prior to COVID. Feel free to read. That's pretty much it. Okay. So now to my Webull account. They're trading plus 20% in pre-market. So they lost 25%, 25 cents yesterday, and they've already gained 21 cents of that back. Now keep in mind, short sellers may sell off, not short sellers, but investors may sell off after the announcements, okay, after Investors Day. Don't panic, okay, don't panic and sell. It's okay, because I'll tell you what, there ain't many of them. And all that does is give all the people waiting a chance to invest, because people are waiting for Ford to drop. But they better not wait too long. So, more news real quick. Ford Motor stock underperformed on Tuesday. JP Morgan analyst rides F-150 Lightning and is blown away by the experience. Ford faces juggling act with new electric vehicle plans due soon. This is on Webull. Ford expects to unveil all-electric platform at investors event today. Ford follows General Motors, Volkswagen with 2 new dedicated EV platforms by 2025. There you go. There's that number again. That year, 2025. That was 20 hours ago. Okay, if you're thinking about trading options or stock in Apple, NIO, Ford, there's an article there. And then I'm sure, let's see here. Let's see here what we got in the stocks to watch this week. That was out 20 hours ago. This looks like it's a video on Market Watch.
Welcome to Barron's Live, our daily webcast and podcast. I'm Lauren Rubland, Senior Managing
Let's see
Editor
how
of
long
Barron's.
it is first.
Thanks for joining us to learn more about the week ahead in stocks.
35 minutes? No, we're not going to take it. So, Ford is also showing off their F-150 Lightning Pro now, okay? And did you know, I've mentioned it in a video before about Ford, but you know Rivian? Rivian, R-I-V-I-A-N. Ford owns them, owns more than 50% of them. Let's see. So this company Work Sports. Okay, they're getting it right. Okay, they're making their bed covers for Ford, General Motors, and Rivian. Atlas? Okay, it doesn't really say anything. Work Sport. There's that OTC ticker, WKSP. May want to take a look at it. Maybe it picked up. Although there are plenty of pros to owning an EV pickup truck, range anxiety is a common concern among many. Okay, Ford 20,000 reservations in less than 12 hours since the truck was officially unveiled. It's over 40 now. Okay, I'm gonna be signing off. Just for my new people that are viewing my videos, I'll show you my $10 option real quick. I'm not going over it though. Here we go. And it expires on the 18th of next month. Okay, couple of weeks, 3 weeks away. I have 3 contracts. And look at this. Current price is 9 cents. The average price is 9 cents. Okay, here's my info. All right, there it is there. Good luck. Take a look at it, and God bless you guys all. Need to remind you again, I'm not a professional financial advisor. Please do your own DDs. God bless. Peace, love, happiness, always. Let's pack that wallet with nothing but green.